In my whole school life, I was like spend my days as a shy and introvert person. I never ever talk talk in front of the class to my teacher, and I never gave a speech. And I remember that I never talked to any girl in my whole school life. But now I have a lot of female friends or friends. So what is the thing behind it? Why, how I could became a extrovert? And what is the reason why we should be an extrovert person? What would happen when we become an extrovert person, and why we should be an extrovert? What's wrong with introvert? To be honest, being an introvert is not a wrong thing. Being introvert means you are not like to hang up with friends, you are not like to socializing, this kind of thing. But when we become extrovert, that time we will have more additional benefits in our life, we can easily build our network, we can easily make a new connections, we can easily sell any kind of product, we can easily crack our job interviews. So, and I think and why some people are introvert, why some people are extrovert, what is the reason behind these characters or these behaviors? I think being an introvert, extrovert, this is just our belief system, what we are we have been facing from our childhood, since our childhood, what kind of thinking and what kind of if we have been enjoying the socializing, and we enjoying to hang up with friends or making a new friend, that time we become an extrovert. But if we don't like, and it's also it's also the reason from your genetically, and this came from your parents maybe. Because in my case, if I tell you my story, to 2019, when I was studying for my NEET examinations in another city, and I was very alone that time. Very alone means I was living single, I was living alone in a room, and at that time I thought that what's wrong, I faced so many trouble, so many issues while making a new friends or talking to a stranger person. And that time, to be honest, if I tell you my story, that in my case, my father and my brother, and both are they are also introvert, a kind of introvert. They couldn't easily make new friends, or they couldn't easily talk with a stranger. And I know that this is not just my story. Lot of people, lot of you all also facing this problem. You can't easily talk with a stranger. So that time I thought that being an introvert, it's not a good thing. And that time I also facing, to be honest, I couldn't able to crack that exam at that time. So I thought that if I go to a job, if I go to a job, that time I have to crack an interview, and how I can talk with them, how I could sell my product. If I couldn't able to get this exam, I should make money. And when it's time to come to make money, that time we have to be an extrovert. If you are not an extrovert, how can you sell your product? How can you talk with a stranger? How can you advertising your product or your company? So this is true. How can you crack your interviews if you are a kind of introvert person or a shy person? So that time I thought that if I want to make money, I should be an extrovert. And this is also important when there is a no person with you as a extrovert that can help you in your life. That time you have to be an extrovert. And whenever we are having we hanging with our friends and chilling with our friends, and when we see a person that talking in a very good way, and sharing his life experiences, that time we feel more like noteworthy, that and feeling like, wow, like what a person. He could easily, sharing his life story. That time we also feel noteworthy. And it's very important, guys, if you can easily become an extrovert, that time you should do this. And I became this. How I can do this? So in my case, what I did, if I tell you, that time I was living alone, and I bought a mirror, full length mirror, and I start talking in front of the mirror. I stay in front of mirror and I start talking, because I know that we have 7 major chakras in our body that holding our energy. Everything is energy, our body. If I can talk easily in front of the camera, because my energy releasing easily, like no one can hold my energy, no one holding my energy. So we have to release our energy, and the main chakra which is holding our speak, like our voice energy, is our throat chakra. And if you want to become an extrovert, you have to practice, you have to work on your throat chakra. And how can you do this? Like how I could do this. And yeah, I'm telling you that I bought a mirror and I start talking in front of the mirror loudly, as much as I can. So I could say loudly every single day. And I remember those days, I was practicing whole day. I was practicing, whenever I feel free and whenever I have time, I start I came to my mirror and start talking, because I also feel good. If you have a story and if you want to share this story to your friend and you couldn't able to share it, that time you can just go to your mirror and start sharing with yourself, start sharing for yourself. Do this, guys. If you do this and try to open up your throat chakra, you can just say loudly. Everything is when you say loudly or very easily. Try to be more easy when you are speaking. Now I'm doing this. I know some of the time I'm lacking. I'm not a good fluent English speaker, but I'm becoming, because I'm working for it. Every time I'm trying to be more focused. I'm trying to be more, concentrate to my words, like what I'm saying, and I'm trying to articulate my words and try to find a new word that I can say, to you, that I can tell you. So this is important. If you want to open your throat chakra, if you want to become an extrovert, you have to work on your energy. You have to work on your throat chakra. I know that maybe you disagree or you agree. It totally depends on you, because if you know that how energy works, how kind of energy or how kind of chakras our body has, that time it's our duty. And we can easily do this. So guys, try to open up your throat chakra. It would help you for sure. It will help you to become an extrovert. I did this thing. That's why I can now. I'm having a lot of friends. I can easily build community, and I can easily build a network. And even I'm talking to you all every, like, whenever whoever come to my on my Instagram and talk to me, I can easily talk on a call, I can easily talk to a stranger person, because I know I opened my throat chakra. I can easily release my energy. So our chakras is very, very important. If you don't aware about it, please have this knowledge. It will give you a remarkable shift in your life. I did this, guys. This is my story that I did, and I became an extrovert. And to be honest, in my case, I genuinely believe in this, that everybody has to be an extrovert. If you want to make a huge amount of money, if you want to build a network, if you want to make a new connections, if you want to make a new friends, okay, so do this, guys, do this, and don't focus on your mistakes. I did so many mistakes. I'm doing a lot of mistakes, but I know that I'm in a process. If I'm making videos every single day, I'm becoming, guys. And one day I will become the fluent English speaker. I become a confident speaker, because I'm working on it. So just do this, guys, do this. No matter what other people are thinking about you, what they are talking about you. Every time when you hanging out and socializing with people, that time try to speak. Whenever you feel anxious, whenever you feel scared to talk, just try to push yourself. Okay, so this is gonna be more and more helpful for you. Okay, actually my laptop is off. So okay, if you are watching till now, thank you so much. It means a lot, and I'm making videos every single day for you, to giving you the proper, like, good knowledge that I'm having. This is my life experiences, and I'm here to just sharing my life experiences, and also I'm here to improve my English communication. If you are new here, thank you so much. You watched this video till now, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. This gonna be more beneficial for me. If you want to talk to me on a call, you can easily come to my Instagram. There we will talk on a call. Okay, thank you so much. And comment if you have any kind of doubts, questions and suggestions for me. Let me know in the comment box. I'll meet you in the next video. Stay tuned.